So over here, you can see that I have this particular file right here. And let's say I want to export this out as an animated GIF. So to do that, I can go around over here and then select GIF format. So here you can see that there's GIF, but this is not the format that exports out animated GIF. For that, you can see that animated GIF is a separate format right here. And in the preset, you have an option to select, let's say, GIF that matches the source only, or has an option to export transparency as well. So I don't really have transparency over here in the source, so I'm just going to select animated GIF right here. So once I do that, you can see that I have an option right here to go ahead and work around with resolution as well. So let's just link this out and then type in 640 right here. So I'm just going to decrease out the resolution right here, just like this. You can choose the frame rate as you want as well. So let's just go ahead and choose a small frame rate right here, like 10, just like this. So this is what you have, as you can see. So you can see that I can go ahead and select transparency right here, just like this as well. You can go ahead right here and you can see that I have these options. You can add in effect as with any other video as well, just like this, and add in captions, publish as well. But this is what you have, as you can see. So you can also render with maximum depth for quality right here. So once that is done, you can simply go ahead right here, choose a folder where you want to go ahead and export this out. In my case, I'm going to export in desktop. Let's say, for example, you got the animated GIF. So if I were to go ahead and render this out now, over here, you will have this animated GIF right here. So now you can see that this is an image right here, a picture with animated GIF right here, just like this. So that is how you can go ahead and export out animated GIF from Adobe Media Encoder. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.